You're probably leaving money on the table right now, and you don't even know it. If you've got $5,000 or more sitting in a regular savings account, earning 0.1% interest, you're essentially handing your bank free cash every single month. We're talking about $200 to $400 a year in lost earnings. That could be yours. The crazy part? Fixing this takes literally 5 minutes. Here's the truth. Most traditional banks are paying you basically nothing because they can get away with it. They're betting you don't know any better. Right now, high-yield savings accounts are paying somewhere between 4 and 5%. That's annual percentage yield. If you haven't heard that term before, that's the real rate you earn when compounded daily. Meanwhile, your Chase or Bank of America account probably is 0.01%. That's not a typo. Your bank is literally stealing from your future. Mistake number 1, you're still using a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. They have massive overhead, physical locations, tellers, expensive buildings. So they pass those costs to you by offering garbage interest rates. Online banks don't have those costs. They pass the savings directly to you. The money sits in the exact same FDIC-insured accounts. The security is identical. The only difference is you get paid what you actually deserve. Mistake number 2. People find one high-yield account and stop looking. Rates change constantly. What was 5.35% last month might drop to 4.9% this month. Some accounts offer promotional rates that disappear after 30 days. You need to check rates quarterly. Literally takes 3 minutes on your phone. The difference between 4.5% and 5.35% on $10,000 is about $80 a year. Times that across your entire financial life, and you're talking serious money. Shop around like your life depends on it, because your wealth depends on it. Mistake number 3, you're not actually doing the math. Let me give you real numbers so you see what you're actually leaving on the table. If you have $20,000 in a regular savings account at 0.01% APY, you earn $2 per year. Put that same $20,000 in a high-yield account at 5% APY, and you earn $1,000 per year. That's literally $80 every single month for doing absolutely nothing. That's passive income. That's what financial freedom actually looks like. Money working while you sleep. Now, here's the move. Open an account today. The best ones right now include Marcus, Ally, American Express, Personal Savings, and Wealthfront. All are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Compare their current rates. They're all within 1% of each other right now. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account. That's it. You've just turned your savings into a passive income machine. No risk, no complexity, just money earning money. One last thing you need to know, the one gotcha most people miss. Some high-yield accounts require minimum balances, like $2,500 to $10,000. Read the fine print. Some have withdrawal limits. Make sure the account you pick actually fits your life. But honestly, that's it. This is probably the easiest financial move you can make today, with almost zero downside and real, those tangible returns. You're building wealth while you watch this video. Now go actually do it. If this video helped you understand how to actually save money and build passive income, smash that like button. Subscribe for more personal finance tips that move the needle on your actual wealth. And remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Always research before you open any new accounts. But seriously, your future self is begging you to do this today.